Hello students, hope you all are fine. In today's class we shall discuss some pyrochemical process that we have in principle of metallurgy. Pyrochemical process means pyro means heat. It's a chemical process in which heat is involved. Now let us see some of the pyrochemical process. First one is smelting, roasting, calcination. Now what is this smelting? Smelting is a pyrochemical process in which the ore is heated along with flux and fuel. The heat produced in this process is so high that the ore you will get it in the metal you will get it in the molten form. The impurities which are present in the metal, they react with flux and they are removed as slag. Now the impurities that are present, they are called gangue. For example, C plus O2 is the fuel, it gives rise to CO, that is carbon monoxide. This carbon monoxide reacts with iron oxide to give you iron plus CO2. Now the flux that we added here is CaCO3. On heating it will become CaO plus CO2. This CaO will react with the gangue that is present in the ore. Now CaO plus SiO2 gives rise to CaSiO3, which is slag. Now what we are doing is, when we are adding flux to this, the flux reacts with the gangue particles and it is removed as slag. So this is called smelting. It's a pyrochemical process. The next process that you have is roasting. Roasting means heating the ore in the presence of oxygen below its melting point. Now, for example, ZnS plus 3O2, it gives rise to ZnO plus 2SO2. Now, this zinc oxide can be reduced with some other materials, but roasting means heating the ore in the presence of oxygen, in the presence of air, to get the oxides, to get the respective oxide. That is called roasting. It is also a pyrochemical process. Next we have something called as calcination. Calcination is also a pyrochemical process in which the ore is heated. When it is heated, it decomposes to MgO plus CO2, and when you are heating CaOCO3, it is in the absence of air. In the absence of air, if you heat it, it is called calcination. CaCO3 gives rise to COO plus CO2. Now what is this flux? Flux is a material that is added to the ore, then flux reacts with gangue and it is removed as slag. If the flux is basic, if the gangue is acidic, flux will be basic. If the gangue is basic, then the flux will add acidic flux to it. For example, here SiO2 is acidic in nature, so we are adding basic flux which is coming out in the form of CaSiO3. Now for basic flux, like if the gangue is basic like FeO, then we are adding acidic flux, that is SiO2, then we will get FeSiO3 as slag. So that is about the flux. The next thing that you have here is about the furnace. Generally roasting is done in the reverberatory furnace. Next we shall discuss what is a furnace. Let me read out to you. Furnace is the one which is used to carry out pyrochemical process. All these processes are carried out in a furnace. A furnace has mainly three parts, that is hearth, chimney, and third one is firebox. Now hearth is a place inside the furnace where the ore is kept for heating purpose. This is the place where we keep the ore for heating. Then chimney is the outlet for the waste gases to go out of the furnace, that is the outlet for the waste gases. And firebox is a place where we keep the fuel for burning. It is kept for burning. In blast furnace, both firebox and hearth are combined in a big chamber. If you take a blast furnace, here the firebox in the blast furnace, both firebox and hearth are combined in a big chamber. Firebox and hearth are combined in a chamber. But whereas if you take a reverberated furnace, you have chimney at one place. This is chimney. Ore is kept on hearth, and here you have a firebox. This is how a reverberatory furnace looks like. So that is about the furnace. So with this we end the session. That's all for today's class, children. We shall continue in the next class.